It's Maria again. Tayo na sa pagluluto sa maulang araw na ito. Tayo na!
Do you want to know?
So our ingredients for our chicken creamy with mushrooms are garlic and black pepper, chicken cream and Parmesan cheese powder, mushroom and soy sauce, and 500 grams of chicken. Now, marinate the chicken with pepper, soy sauce, and mix it well. And then we will marinate this for 30 minutes. Now the pan is hot. You can now saute the garlic. And then the chicken. And then the mushroom. Now we can add the chicken cream. Add half teaspoon salt. So once the sauce is already reducing, we can now add the Parmesan cheese. Now our creamy chicken is already cooked and ready for serving. Creamy chicken with mushrooms. Kain tayo!